Hey everybody, welcome back to another video with your casual keyboard guy. Thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing. Just give me love. Like man, my YouTube been blowing it. But appreciate you guys. And today's lesson is going to be on Homecoming by Kanye West. And this is requested by my subscriber. It was sponsored by my subscriber Benji. Thank you for the donation, my brother. And we're gonna get into this song. It's pretty much just like a one loop track for the most part, but it's pretty cool song, man. Had some fun learning this one. So let's get into it. Homecoming by Kanye West. Here we go. And that's pretty much the entire song. I like it played out here. That's a pretty cool song, real easy. And I actually watched a couple people teaching this song. They kind of made it harder than what it is. It's a really easy song. Um, and I'm kind of use the bass line to kind of get you in line with playing the rhythms right. So hopefully you guys understand this and have some fun with this one. So here we go. Let's break it down. So you got basically the bass is I'm just doing like double octave bass. So I'm just going. To F sharp, to G octave, A octave, C octave, then B, then E, then B. So see that? So E, F sharp, G, A, C, bass, and then we on this B, E minor, back to B minor. So I'm gonna do the bass one more time. One more time. Play with me. One more time and take your time with that one. I played it enough times for you to see it, but like I said, I just doing an octave with it is just makes it so easy, or easier in my opinion, just to play the rhythm with it. So let's look at the chords. So the chords got like some nice little melodies going on here. So you starting off with this E minor. So you got this B, E, G. You got B, E, G. Okay. And you starting off, you got this little intro that I forgot to play, but it's basically just playing off of this E minor and it's going like. So it's pretty much like that. So that's just B, E, G, okay? The E and the bass. So you bouncing from the chords and the bass. Boom, bam, bam. So you're hitting two E minor chords. And then, so bass, bam, bam, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord. All right? So that's kind of how the intro go. All right? So let's get to this but it's kind of the intro is a little longer. They play like they leave a little part of the of the melody out of it, and I'll show you what I mean. So, well, let me show you real quick. So they start right there. So they go 2, 3, 4, and then they go into the whole song. So it's pretty much this, like, it ain't like you learn something different. You just pretty much leaving a little piece out, and then you're adding it for the rest of the song for the most part. I mean, they do have some other breaks in the song, but pretty much this is the entire song. So let's go. So you got, all right. So you got 3 E's, 3 E minor chords, bum, 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 and then the whole chord moves to this F sharp over D. So you got A, D, F sharp. So I'm just bouncing the bass like this. Alright, so I'm bouncing the bass to keep time. So let me show you the chords. So you got bum, bum, bum. So you got, so that's gonna be pretty much E minor, D major, which is A, D, F sharp, and then we go into this E minor down here. So the rhythm is bop, 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 bop. All right. Real slow. All right. And just that little half with the bass is just gonna be real slow. Try to do it with me. All right. Why do I keep doing that? All right. All right. So that's the first little half of it, and then we going into. All right. So let's look at that. So once you got this little part. Hit this G, you go to this G major chord up here. So you got D, F, D, G, B. And then you go to, so you got, all right. So you got this C over A, which is a A minor 7. So you got this E, G, C. All right. And let me just show you the chords first. I think it might be confusing to try to do the bass with the chords because it's, like I said, the rhythm's not hard, but if you hear it like this, it might be difficult. So let me just show you the chords, and then I'll play the bass with the chords, okay? So we already got this part. All right, so here we go. We start from so where we at? Let me see. I'm getting brain fart. Oh yeah. So you got this G chord 3 times, bop, bop, bop. Then you go to this C chord right here. C, E, G, C. So bop, 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 bop. Bum, 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 bum. And then you're gonna do these 2 notes. So it's gonna be D and B to D and A. And then you're gonna end with the D and G. So like that. So all right, real simple. All right, real slow. next part is going to be, so you're going to do a D, A, D, F sharp, and then the melody is going to go up to the G. So, and then you're going to land on this A, D, E. So, A, D, E. All right, so. All right, so. Whew, do it one more time. All right, so that next part is going to be, so after you do, what is it? Hit this E again, and then the melody is going to go back to the D, and the melody is going to be on the F sharp. And now you could do this part with just playing the top melody. All right, so so the top melody just would be, so F sharp twice, G, F sharp twice, G, F sharp, D, E. And that's pretty much outlining this D chord. And then you're gonna land on this A and E. Excuse me, this A and E. Okay. I'm sorry, G and E. So E minor, okay? E and G. So let me show you, let me see. We're going to jab on this one. And that's how the intro is going to be. But like I said, everything you learned already is the song. So you don't got to worry about like relearn anything, but just one other part. But really, it's not really it's the same thing. So like I said, it's not going to be bad at all. All right, here we go. So now let's add the bass to that. So like I said, the bass is just doubling up what you should already learn. So like I said, practice the bass by itself, practice the chords by itself, and then put it together real slow. Okay. So let's go over the chords for that part. So and the bass together. So you got that little hit first. I'm sorry, I keep playing that because the other part just is so decent. I keep fast forwarding it. But anyway, so let me see. All right, there we go. So I just added the B too. You don't have to add the B, but if you want to make the chord forward, you add the B with the G and the E, okay? Like that. So let's do it one more time. All right. So that's the intro. So here we go. I keep messing up on that. When I play it slow, for some reason I mess up. But anyway, you guys get the idea. Here we go. One more time. All right. So we'll do it as slow as I can. All right. And the only difference is once they go into the verse, they kind of do that part twice. That. And then they kind of play off of this E chord. Okay, and that's it. So basically, let me play how the full song is. We start back at the top. Okay, so that little part is simply once you hit, instead of hitting that E to like the intro does, you go just bounce on it a couple times because the melody is doing something like. So you could do that if you want to. You could just bounce on it, or you could do the pop 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 pop, which is E D E E. You know what I mean? And then you're going back into that part, and then you're starting the song back over where right here. Okay, so let me show you the whole thing together. Okay. Back top. Guys, so hope you enjoyed that lesson. Not too hard of a song, like I said. It's just basically just getting that bounce with the bass, with the chord changes, and once you got that, like you pretty much got the song. So I'm gonna play it one time fully through with the intro, and then the just the regular, just the I guess the vibe of the song, and then I'm out of here. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like, share, subscribe, show your boy some love. Casual keyboard guy, you know how I do. Peace.